Hi, friend! Today we're learning the letter E. This is E. E has a special sound. Eh, eh, eh. E. Eh, eh, eh. E. E is for elephant. Eh, eh, elephant. Can you say that? Eh, eh, elephant. Great job. E is also for egg. Eh, eh, egg. Try it with me now. Eh, eh, egg. Great job. Last one. E is also for elbow. Eh, eh, elbow. Let's do it together. Eh, eh, elbow. Great job learning the letter E today. Thanks for joining me in the Calm Little Corner. I'll see you again next time. Bye.